Back before the days of cash and Venmo, people used checks and dinosaurs roamed the land. No, not quite, but checks are still a primary use of payment, and it actually blows my mind how many people don't know how to read one properly. But I've got you, and I'm gonna explain this in less than 90 seconds. In the top left corner of the check, you will find the name, address, and sometimes even the phone number of the check owner. The purpose is pretty clear. It's so you know who this money's coming from. On the right-hand side, you can find the check number, and below, the date the check was signed. The name of the check recipient goes on the line here. We'll go ahead and put my name for example, because my account's looking pretty dry. The numerical amount is printed in this convenient box on the right-hand side. Fun fact, this is considered the unofficial amount of the check. The purpose for this box is just a quick way to glance at how much the check is worth. If the check is legitimate and the funds exist, the bank should use the amount that is written out in words over here. The memo line below is used to indicate to the check recipient what the money is for. I will say though, if someone wanted to give me money with no explanation, I wouldn't ask questions. Now, this bottom line of numbers seems to be where people find the most confusion. What's what? What do these numbers mean? The first 9 digits is your routing number, which indicates what bank this money is coming from. The second set of numbers, typically between 8 to 10 digits, is your account number, which indicates from which account the money is coming from. The third set of numbers is your check number. Oh, and friendly reminder, bank routing numbers are public information, but keep your account number safe to prevent fraud. The line to the right is where the signature goes. And now I have a check to use to pay my cable bill. Just joking, it's fake. Go ahead and give this video a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next how-to.